A new study regarding school shootings released earlier this month reveals that in most cases, the school shooting was preventable. News 8's Alec Giannakopoulos has the findings of the study and how they could help local schools identify troubled students.
Martha, after the shooting in Sandy Hook in 2012, over 400 individuals have been shot in 200 school shootings. That's according to a report from the New York Times. In hopes of preventing future shootings, the Secret Service published a study outlining how shooters behaved in the days before the incident. A local school official that I talked to today is working to use that study to keep students safe.
I think our staff is eager to make sure that all kids are feeling comfortable when they come to school.
The Onalaska School District takes student safety seriously, with a team designed to look out for students who could be dangerous.
They're there just to look for and be available to respond to warning signs.
In an effort to identify those warning signs, the U.S. Secret Service studied 41 attacks over a 10-year span. They found that a majority of school shooters were absent from school before, were bullied, and felt mistreated.
These students who carried out the shootings were all pretty severely bullied.
Bullied students who don't have a social group are a red flag, according to Ted Green, psychologist for Gundersen Health System.
The bullying starts to make you believe that you are a bad person, makes you believe that what they're saying might be true if you don't have anyone else to bounce ideas off of or anyone else to reflect your value to you.
Being bullied can often lead to a student acting out.
Humans act out when they don't have a way of feeling that they have any other solution to a problem. They don't feel any control.
When students act out, schools discipline them, and that can lead to a bigger problem.
It would be good if schools have mental health professionals on the team as well to not just punish, but also try to figure out if someone keeps getting in trouble more and more, what's at the core of that.
The Onalaska School District knows that trained mental health staff is helpful, but understands that staff aren't around with students all the time, because no one knows students as well as other students do.
We want the students to be comfortable and capable and coming forward should there be a concern.
In reporting a student, they have an app that any student can download and anonymously report any suspicious student behavior. If a student wants to make a report in person or doesn't have access to the app, staff members have an open door policy. Martha?
Thanks so much, Alec. Also, just to point out that last year, more than 4 million students nationwide were put on lockdown due to a threat to their safety.